Do you know that only 9% people successfully maintain their New Year's resolutions? I was failing year after year till 2021. At the end of year 2021, I read the book The Kaizen Way. This book gave me the idea of how to set resolutions correctly. I am successfully continuing my last year's resolution till today. And now it's time to tell you the secret. To achieve success over your New Year resolution, you need to keep two things in mind. First is resolutions should be simple and easy to implement. And second is instead of setting a target, set up a process and include it in your daily life. In this video, I shall give you 5 easy to implement New Year resolution ideas and how to include it in your daily life. Apart from this, 20 more New Year resolution ideas have been listed out here in the description box. Check it out and make your resolution today. Let's get started. A very common and widely failed New Year resolution is going to gym. 43% fail before February. So the idea is to keep the target easy and comfortable. The first resolution idea is do more exercises this year. If you have already started, do it a little more this year. If you have not started yet, then start with morning workout for 50 seconds. Start with 10 long breaths first thing in the morning for 1 week. It will be easiest thing to start with. This takes around 50 to 60 seconds. Next week, add 5 more minutes to it and do some stretches. Next week, add some cardio exercises for 4 minutes. Continue this 10 minutes workout throughout January. The second idea is to focus on one thing at a time. With this, I mean to say that once you start any activity, try not to leave any residue of that work before shifting to the new task. For example, if you have completed your dinner, then do not leave your table dirty to clean it later. Complete everything before you shift to another task. The third idea is life-changing. It is to start bullet journaling. If you are not into journaling, then I would recommend everyone to start with bullet journaling. It will take hardly 5 minutes of your time, but it will delight you every day. Like I did my yoga today, or a simple walk with my daughter made my day, or I should have completed my report today. Write as much as you want. But I would recommend that stick to 4 or 5 points daily. That will encourage you to do it in the next day. If you start writing too exhaustive journaling, you will end up stopping it. So better start with small. Start with 4-5 points, key highlights of the day. And if you like, you may add some doodle or emojis. Adding gratitude to the list will make your day wonderful. Some example can be like, I'm thankful to my parent for raising my kid well, or I'm thankful to my daughter for carrying me today. The list can be endless, but I would request you to be very specific about what you are grateful for. The fourth idea is to start the thing you put off for a long time. Some tasks may seem impossible and we fear to take the first leap. But once we start the journey, eventually it finds its way. So apply Kaizen theory of Japanese people. Start with small improvement steps each day. For example, if you want to start writing a book, ensure that you sit for writing every day for 5 minutes initially. You will feel the urge to increase the time. But I would rather recommend you to stick to 5 minutes until you build a habit of doing the task every day at the same time. Otherwise, you may feel exhausted and less likely to continue. The fifth idea is to be socially active. Social connections are the relationships you have with the people around you. They may be close, like family, friends, and co workers, or more distant, like people you know casually. But making social connection can lower anxiety and depression, help us regulate our emotions, and lead to higher self esteem and empathy. Connect with friends and family more this year. You may schedule to build social connections on weekends as per your convenience. Hi, I am Smita Shah. These ideas will surely work for you. Make your resolutions today. Have a stunning year ahead. Wish you and your family very happy new year 2023. Thank you.